lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. How are you, friends? So for today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my happiness, my butterfly binders. Yeah, one of my favorite thing to do in this cash tapping is doing my butterfly binders. Before I start, please like, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit the notification bell to help me to grow my channel. And thank you so much for being here. So I'm now jobless. Yes, I'm jobless, and now I have a lot of time to watch your videos. I just resigned a week ago, and I will try to find a job after our vacation next month. So I'm going to rest for a month, maybe doing some part-time job, but for full-time, I will find it starting September. Let's start with this butterfly saving challenge. You're gonna see this every week instead of the mini saving challenge, but I'm using a low budget here. I'm using maximum of $50 or maybe 60, but weekly you can see me $50 to $60 cost stuffing in here. So and I will not use coins in this, and instead of coins, I'm using a prop money. So 50, let's keep all the real money here and use prop money. So this prop money is available on Mamshi Queen's Popeye shop. She gave it to me for free, but I purchased it recently because I need more. She just gave it to me already printed, so I purchased it again to make some more because this prop money is specifically using on this savings binder, on this butterfly binder. So all the money I will save in this binder will go to our debt, because now we have, as I don't want to discuss it in here, maybe not not yet, maybe soon, but I don't want to discuss it, how much debt we have. So let's count this: 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay. Let's Okay, for the first one, you can find it on my Copal shop. It's called Catch the Butterfly. There's also a dashboard like this. And it's like a small shut the box, but it's up to you if you want to make it just designate the amount or just roll the dice and save that dice amount. So for me, what I'm going to do is whatever the dice roll, I will save that amount. Okay, let's use, I already have 2 here and 4, but just disregard it because I stop it and I repeat it. So let's roll one dice, or maybe 2. So 4 and 1. Let's cross this out. 4 and 1. So let's say 5 here for the meantime. 5. So it's up to you what you're gonna do about this challenge. But I already tried the shut the box last time, but now I'll just save whatever the dice roll is. So for this one, this is, I think, a collaboration between Biki Things and Weekly Budgets. They call it a spring. I think it's their spring collab. But I will use it on this because this a set. Okay. This is a set. There's a teeny, this is mini, and this is mini as well. So I will use this one first and save money here. So I will roll one die and save the amount. So 1, let's do one more. So 4. So 4 is 2, right? So how much is that? $5. Save $5 here. If you're new to this stopping community, I'm Lovely. I am a mom of three, two adult girl and one nearly adult teenager. Still 18 and living in Hong Kong for almost 29 years, but still struggling to have financial stability because it's not that easy. Life is not easy, and now I'm jobless. Sorry about my voice, I still have cold. And then roll and save. This is my own challenge. I haven't posted it on my Copa yet. Maybe soon I'll post it. Okay, let's roll and save this one. So now I'm just doing a low income saving. So let's roll 2, 6, so $9, 5, $9. And this one is from the Secret Budgeter. Yes, you can see them. You can check her Copa shop. It's free. So I will roll and save here as well. So 3, one more. So 3, so 6. Let's save 6 here. And this one is from Bobby of Canadian Finance Journey. It's all about, it says here, you do not just wake up and become a butterfly. Growth is a process by Canadian Finance Journey. So it's a set of 3 with a, of course, dashboard. So let's roll and save here. Let's roll 2. So 4. Oops. And 6. So 10. And this one, so if you're doing a butterfly binders too, you can check their channels. They have, I searched the Ko-Fi for this particular saving challenge. And if you know someone who's having a freebie of butterfly saving challenge, let me know and comment on the comment section, please. It says here, if you're saving, you're succeeding. Steve Barkholder. So each butterfly here is $5. It's a set of 2. One is roll and save. One is 5. What each butterfly icon is $5. So let's save here $5. Okay, and let's cross this out. There's a lot. You see, there's a lot, and we don't have a lot of money left. And here, this is from Kid Kincaid Special Creation. I don't know if I pronounce it right. So this one, I will make it as a roll and save. This set of 3 as well. Caterpillar, butterfly with the heart icon, and butterfly with the butterfly icon. Okay, let's roll and save. So 3. I think someone is using butterfly binders too. Is I think it's saved with Anna. She's also having a butterflies binder too. So hi Anna, if you want to save with me with the butterflies, you can check their Copa shop. It's free. So 3, one more, so 6, oh, 9. Do we have a lot? You see, we don't have enough. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We only have $1 left. And this one is from Plan to Save Designs. So it's a set of 3 as well. This is a low. So maximum amount is $4. So let's save here $1 because that's the only money we have here. Okay. So cross this out and save $1. And what we do use here is from the budgeting butterfly. This is from her. Actually, this one won by Tina and Lai, but Tina gave it to me as a gift. So let's start with this one. So let's scratch this out and I will make it as an IOU so that next time I know that I finish it in here. I need to put money here first. So let's scratch this. This is a DIY scratch off. Okay, let's save here $4. So I have IOU here of $4. It's just this. In my button. And let's write IOU slip here. Let's get IOU slip. Okay. This IOU slip is from Christy Budget, which is she's not doing she's not filming now and sharing her video, but 2 years ago she's very active on this community. I don't know if she gave up or she's still watching, but if you're watching, Christy, hi. So that's the end of my butterfly savings today. And thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Thank you. Make saving a habit. Love ya. Bye.